So this is 5 kilograms. Here we have 15 kilograms. Here we have, say, 10 kilograms. And we are exerting a force of, this will be 20, 30, 300. So we are exerting a force of 600 in the upward direction, right? So we are exerting a force of 600 in the upward direction. And this system is moving in a vertical direction. System is moving in vertical direction. Okay. Now in this type of a case, in this problem, system was on a horizontal surface, right? So we are not taking into consideration the gravitational force, which was perpendicular. But in this case, the gravitational force is also vertical. Is it clear? So we have to consider gravitation force also. So first step would be, suppose we want to find the tension in both the strings. So first step would be, what is the acceleration? So we have to find the acceleration of the system. So this is our system. Now on this system, what is the gravitational force? Total gravitational force.
So will it multiply with each block?
5, 15, 10. So what is the total mass of the system? 30, right?
30.
30 multiplied by 10 will be 300, right? So we can say on this system, there is a gravitational force acting in the downward direction, and that will be 300. Is it clear? And there is an external force of 600 Newton acting on 5 kg in the upward direction. So we can say it will accelerate in the upward direction. Is it clear? Okay. Now tell me the acceleration.
So 2 meter per second.
So we can say 600 minus 300, that is the net force in the direction of acceleration divided by mass of the system. Mass of the system is 30, no? So this will become 300 divided by 30. So it should be 10. Is it clear? Got it? Net force upon mass of the system will give you the acceleration, no? Force equals to mass times acceleration. Yes or no? Clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Aditya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So suppose I want to find the tension in this string, right? First string. So what you can do? Either you can consider this as your system, right? Okay. Or you can consider this as your system. Both the subsystem will give you the answer, right? If I draw free body diagram of first subsystem, if I draw free body diagram of this, so we have a 5 kg. There is a 600 Newton force acting in the upward direction. There is a tension T1 acting in the downward direction, pulling in the downward direction. And there will be a gravitational force, which is 50 Newton. Got it? And it is accelerating in the upward direction with 10 meters per second square. So what is the net force in the direction of acceleration? Yes, Aditya, can tell me the net force in the direction of acceleration? Yes, Aditya.
The net force in direction of acceleration is 600 newtons.
No, net force, net.
So sorry, sir. Sir, 2 Newton.
No, look, 600 is in the direction of acceleration. 50 is in the downward direction. T1 is in the downward direction, right? So net
Yes, sir.
means, okay, right. If there is a block and you are exerting 10 in the right direction and 2 in the left direction, what is the net force? So 10 minus 2. Can I say that? 10 minus 2.
8 Newton, sir.
Hana? 8 Newton, 10 minus 2. Similarly, when I say net force, So net force will be 600 minus 50 minus T1. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And this should be equals to mass of the system, that is 5 times the acceleration, that is 10. Got it?
Okay.
So T1 comes out to be 550 minus 50, so that will be 500. Got it? I'll get the same answer if I draw free body diagram of this subsystem. So let us do that. If I draw this subsystem, there is a tension T. It has a mass 150. It has a mass 100, right? Clear? Now this tension is internal to the system, so we don't have to show this tension, right? Is it clear? Okay. And it is going up with an acceleration of 10 meters per second square. So the net force in the direction of acceleration, Ishan? T minus 150 minus 100, right? Got it? And that should be equals to mass of the system. What is the mass? 25. Clear? 15 plus 10, 25. Got it? This is 15. This is 10, right? 25 times the acceleration. What is the acceleration? Acceleration is 10. So this will be T minus 250 equals to 250. So T comes out to be 500. Got it? Yes or no? Okay. Right. So now suppose if I want to find the tension in the second string. So what you can do, you can draw a free body diagram of this system, right? Subsystem. So there is a 10 kg block. So there is a tension T2 acting in the upward direction. There is a weight of 100 Newton acting in the downward direction. And the acceleration is 10 meters per second square. Clear? Right? So we can say T2 minus 100 is equals to mass times the acceleration. So T2 comes out to be 200 Newton. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. And you can also get the same answer if you draw free body diagram of this subsystem, right? If I draw that, so what is the mass of the system? 20, right? 20. So mass is 20 kilogram. So there is a tension T2 acting in the downward direction. There is an external force of 600 Newton. And there is a gravitational force of 200 Newton in the downward direction. So we can say 600 minus 200 minus T2. Mass of the system will be 20. And the acceleration is 10. So T2 comes out to be 400 minus 200. So that will be 200. Got it?